Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will take you through a step-by-step procedure on how to create a colorful gradient background in Adobe Photoshop. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel and then stick and stay while I take you through. Press Ctrl+N to open this window, then create an artboard of your choice. Add a gradient fill. Click on the gradient editor to open it. Start creating the gradient from the left side to your right by clicking to add color stops like so. Now, edit each color stop and change the hex code 120022, change location to 0. 470080. Change location to 15. (363FEF). Change location to 31. (04B61H). Change location to 48. EAB00. Change location to 64. FF2400. Change location to 81. DD0008. Change location to 100. Change style to linear and angle to 0 degrees. Add brightness and contrast adjustment. Set contrast value to 30. Add vibrance adjustment. Set vibrance to +50. Hold Shift key and click to select all the layers. Press Ctrl+G to create a group. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+C to merge everything. Right-click on the merged layer and convert into a smart layer. This will allow you to edit the layer when you want. Go to Filter, Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to about 141.7 pixel. You can go a bit further, but I think this is okay. That's it, this is how to create a colorful gradient background in Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out when I publish other contents.